Come on. There you go. Up. Come on. There you go. Let's go. Let's come up, buddy. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Ah! There you go. All you, buddy.
Come on.
Let's go, buddy. Come on. These combined is like 30 pounds. That's a strong press. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go, buddy. Come on. Yep. Up. Come on. Up. Up. There you go. There you go. Come on. Like that, buddy. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Up. One more. One more. There you go. Good.
Yeah, like that.
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah.
For all this, I'm still gonna hit them.
Let's go.
Come on, Aiden.
I'll do like 8. Just help me with this.
Yeah.
That should be okay.
Up.
Come on. 2 more, come on. Help him finish it. One more, one more. Come on, Aiden. Pull it up, put it up, put it up, put it up. Nope.
Count German, buddy.
Come on.
Come on.
Get the bump.
You want to be champion. What did he say inside Mr. Lydia? Mr. Lydia.
Come on.
I got this.
1, 2, 3, 4,
5,
6.
Finish it.
7.
You got it.
More.
Come on.
Up.
Finish it, finish it. There you go.
You see what I mean? Come on, buddy. Yeah. There you go. Easy weight, buddy. Come on. Come on. Couple more. One more. There you go. Oh, wrap that out. That's what we do. Let's go. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Easy now. Let's go. Come on. Come on.
That's good.
Oh, really good.
Is it?
Yeah.
If you look at it, there's like really no reason for you to get low.